Drivers behind the lines, please. In 3, 2, 1, go.
We're kicking off autonomous period. We got 9295, the Harlem Rails, dropping off a coral into L1 for the Red Alliance, followed by the Colts doing the same. They're back. Harlem Rails back with another piece of coral, scoring it into the L1 before heading back to their human player in search of a third. Red will be leading coming out of the autonomous period with a score of 20-3. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, we got team 10262, the Bionic Buzzers, with a coral in possession, lining up, trying to score, but unfortunately they will miss by a little. They're trying again, though. They're back at the human player. They've grabbed a piece of coral, and they drop it off just shy of the Blue Alliance reef. On the red side of the field, the Iron Maidens, they have a coral in their possession. They drop it before heading back to the human player, who gives them a nice piece of coral that they'll take on over to the Red Alliance reef. They lift it high into the air. They're lining up with a branch of the Red Alliance reef, looking to score that piece of coral for their alliance. Meanwhile, their alliance partners continuing to work on filling that L1. Level 1 of the Red Alliance reef looks very full. Meanwhile, the Iron Maidens successfully score a piece of coral onto level 3 of their alliance's reef. Meanwhile, back on the blue side of the field, the Bionic Buzzers have a piece of coral in their arm. They drop it off successfully into that Blue Alliance level 1. Here come the Harlem Rails, scoring yet another piece of coral. They've grabbed one from the human player, and they're dropping it off into any empty space they can find in the level 1 of the Red Alliance reef, which frankly is running out due to the sheer amount of coral that they're putting down. Just under 20 seconds left in the match. Teams are heading over to their barges to climb up on their cages. Iron Maidens and Harlem Rails both parked under the Red Alliance barge. 2 blue robots also doing the same as the match comes to a close. Official results to be posted shortly. It's the Red Alliance taking the win with a score of 68-26. The Red Alliance will also be earning an additional ranking point for having all 3 robots move off their starting line, as well as scoring at least 1 piece